So you want to study computer science in 2025 and you're thinking, I'll graduate, build the next Google, sip matcha in Bali and code from a beach hammock. Yeah, no, here's the real story. You'll spend 4 years learning 75% theory you'll forget, writing C++ programs that make you question your life, Googling what is a pointer until you cry, and graduating into a job market that's on fire, and not in a good way. You don't learn what you actually need. You wanted to build apps, websites, maybe an AI startup. Instead you're learning binary trees, the inner workings of a compiler, discrete math, and how to prove a Turing machine loves you. Meanwhile, employers want React, APIs, Git, and projects that actually run. The gap between what you learn and what you need, massive. Like your GPA won't save you, massive. And you're still gonna have to self-study. Yeah, sorry, that 50k degree, it doesn't teach you the full stack, or how to deploy anything, or how to answer, tell me about a time you solved a problem in 12 different ways. You'll still end up on YouTube University at 2 AM like HTML tutorial for beginners but fast. The harsh truth, your degree gets you in the door, you still gotta build the house yourself. And guess what? AI isn't helping, it's competing. Here's the fun twist, you're trying to become a dev just as AI is starting to write cleaner code than you. Employers are asking, why hire a junior dev when Copilot writes tests and explains them? You better bring more to the table than I passed algorithms 201. You need projects, you need proof, you need to be the person who knows how to use AI, not the one replaced by it. And let's be honest, the market is rough, even for the good ones. You'll see people from top universities struggling, people with experience laid off, new grads ghosted after 6 interviews. Even if you're smart, even if you work hard, the market is brutal. This isn't a rom-com, it's Survivor Dev Edition. Adapt or perish. But relax, it's not all doom and gloom. Yeah, it's rough, but here's the plot twist. If you play right, a CS degree can still change your life. Because when you combine theoretical foundations from school, practical skills from self-learning, projects that show you can build, and AI tools to boost your productivity, you become a beast. Not because you memorize sorting algorithms, but because you know how to Google, learn, build, ship, and adapt. So you might be asking yourself, what should you actually focus on? Well, while you're in school, don't just aim for the grades. Build real stuff, make a portfolio, join hackathons, learn Git, learn APIs, and learn deployment. Also, intern early, network often, post your progress, ask them questions, and keep failing forward. This isn't about being the smartest, it's about being the hungriest and most adaptable. So, should you still study CS in 2025? Well, if you're doing it just for the paycheck, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you love tech, solving problems, and can survive the chaos, then yeah, it's still worth it. But just so you know, it's not a degree that makes you valuable, it's what you do while you're earning it.